Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve success while others stay stuck despite working hard? It is not luck, it is not talent, it is the compound effect, the simple but powerful idea that tiny choice made consistently over time lead to extraordinary result. This is not some get rich quick nonsense. It is about real habit, real momentum, and real transformation. Step by step, day by day, let's break down the compound effect by Darren Hardy, a blueprint for turning small action into massive success in every area of life. Section 1. What is the compound effect? The compound effect is the principle of reaping huge reward from a series of small, smart choice. Imagine eating 100 fewer calories a day, or reading 10 pages daily, or saving just $1 a day. At first, no big change. But over week, month and year, you change your body, your mind and your bank account. Darren Hardy explained that success does not come from huge win. It comes from consistency in small, often boring tasks that compound over time. Section 2. Choice, the ripple effect. Every choice you make matter, even the smallest ones. Hardy say your life right now is the sum of all your past decisions. Skipping the gym today might seem harmless. Watching one more hour of Netflix may feel relaxing. But compound those decisions for a year. They become your lifestyle. They become your identity. He says you make your choice and then your choice make you. Action step. Start tracking your behavior. What are your patterns? What is compounding against you? Section 3. Habit. Build or break. Habits are the fuel for the compound effect, good or bad. Hardy emphasized the power of routine. He said, start with one new habit at a time. Make it small, make it automatic. Want to be wealthy? Start by saving $1 a day. Want to be fit? Start by walking 10 minutes a day. Pro tip. Create a habit tracker and celebrate your streak. It builds momentum. Small, smart choice plus consistency plus time equal to radical difference. Section 4. Momentum, the big mo. Success love speed, but only after you build momentum. Think of a train. It starts slow, hard to move, but once it is going, it becomes unstoppable. Hardy say, once you build momentum in one area, fitness, discipline, finance, it spills into other. Key point. Don't break the chain. Every time you stop, you lose momentum and have to start all over again. The more consistent you are, the easier it gets. Section 5. Tracking, the secret weapon. Most people don't fail because of a lack of goal. They fail because they don't track what they are actually doing. Hardy insight. If you want change, track it. Track your spending, track your time, track your habit. What get measure, get improve. It might seem tedious at first, but it is the difference between guessing and winning. Section 6. Influence, what is shaping your life? Hardy say we become the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. Ask yourself, are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Are they inspiring growth or encouraging mediocrity? To apply the compound effect, you need to consistently create your environment. Surround yourself with people, books, podcasts, and mentors that support your long-term growth. Your environment either compound your success or compound your failure. Section 7. Acceleration. Push past the pain. Time is where winners are made. Hardy writes that the momentum most people give up is exactly when they should push harder. That extra effort when you are tired, that is what compound. That is what separates you from the average. Want extraordinary result? Be willing to do what others want, especially when it is hard. Section 8. Putting it all together. The formula for success. Success is boring, it is slow, it is invisible at first. But here is hardy formula again. Smart choice plus consistency plus time equal to massive success. You don't need a radical plan. You need daily discipline. You need passion. And the truth, if you trust the process, your result will compound in way you never imagined. Final word. Start today. The compound effect is always working, either for you or against you. So ask yourself, what is one small habit I can start today? What is compounding in my life right now? What direction am I heading? Growth or decline? Because the small things, they are never small. Start now, stay consistent, and let the compound effect change your life forever. Like, comment your favorite takeaway, and subscribe for more insight that help you unlock your full potential. Thank you so much.